guys, check it out. Look what came in the mail today. We finally got one after all this time just waiting for back order stuff to come in. Let's open this thing up and see what she's all about. Pretty sweet packaging from BBR on this one. They give you a, let's see what comes in this little bag here. Little heat shield. Probably goes on the back of the number plate. Give you a spring and spring puller, kind of cool. And BBR wash plug, pretty sweet. And if we pull these pieces out, let's take a look here at this. This is the head pipe. Got a nice carbon fiber heat guard on there. Really cool. And then let's take this bad boy out. This is what we want to see. Oh, oh yeah. Let's see what she looks like. All hung up here. There we go. Bam. Let's see. Ooh. D3. That thing is so big. Give you guys a little better look at that. Alright, now it's just time to get installing on that bad boy. Alright, be back in a little bit. We'll show you how she sounds. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, just finished the install. Pretty quick and simple. Did the D3 by BBR. Full exhaust. Kind of cool, their logo in that carbon fiber heat shield. Very easy to install, not complicated. Let's give you guys a quick sound test here.